Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I'm your teacher Ghazal Ikram, and today we will be discussing unit number 3. Let's learn KTurtle. So before we move on, let's quickly revise the learning outcomes. In today's lesson, we will be discussing about the KTurtle commands, how you can open programs, and the status bar in the KTurtle. So let's move on for the recap. Here we have some true false for you and you have to guess the answers. The first one, the KTurtle is used to draw only figures. Do you use it to draw the figures only? You cannot calculate some of the things in it, or you cannot type some text in it? That's correct. You people are giving the correct answer. That's a false statement. You can write text in it, you can type the text, and you can calculate the numbers and mathematical operations you can carry out as well. So next one we have, again this is a statement you have to find out, is it a true or a false statement. The editor and the inspector pane cannot be detached and placed anywhere on the desktop. For this purpose I can show you over here. This is my editor pane over here. If I move it, you can see I can detach it. I'm moving it anywhere else. I can move it upwards to the right hand side or the left hand side. So it's not fixed one. So it can be detached. So again, this is a false statement. So you are going to mark it false. Here we have the third statement with us. The status bar shows the current language being used for the commands. Again, I will take you to the KTurtle window, and here we have, you can see this is my KTurtle window, and in this you can see on the status bar below over here, this is written over here English built-in. So the language which I have selected is shown on the status bar. So we guess you are giving me the correct answer. This is the true statement. So here we have the fourth one with us. The open command is used to create a new file. We use the open command to create a new file. So is it a true statement or a false one? To make a new file, obviously you have to click on the new button. So it is going to be false statement. So this is a false statement. Yes, to create a new file, you need to click the new button. So this is a false statement here with us. Now we move to the fifth statement for today. Here we have, and that is, status bar is present at the bottom of the screen and gives you the status of KTurtle. So as we have seen over here in this KTurtle window, yes, it is present over here at the bottom of the screen, and that gives you the details about the KTurtle. Yes, that's correct. So this is going to be a true statement, and we are going to mark it true. Now we move on for today's work. Here we have, that's a book work, remember. Question number 4, that's application based question. We will be finishing part A and B. You can finish it on your books. So the A part question with us, here it is. You consider the KTurtle main screen as you can see in your book as well, and you need to answer the questions. Which pane is used for entering the commands? So which pane do we use to write the commands? As you can see, this is my KTurtle window. So we write in this pane the KTurtle commands. Yes. So how we are going to write the answer? We will be writing over here the answer, the iter pane. Simply that will be a one word answer. Iter pane is used for entering the commands. Remember my children, this is a bookwork. Now we move to the second part of this question. Here we have name the pane in which the turtle sits. Do you remember where the turtle sits? Yes, that's correct. The turtle sits in the center of the KTurtle screen. And what do we call that screen? That is called the canvas. Yes, here we have the correct answer with us. That is called the canvas. So we move on now to the B part question with us. Now here we have B part. Isa has typed and executed the following program in KTurtle. Now reading at the commands Isa has written, I'm going to show you this figure that appear on the canvas and give me the answers for that one. You can see these are the commands written over here, the reset, then forward command and turning right. And this is the figure once it has been run, the program has been executed. Yes, that's a rectangle. What Isa has made, that is a rectangle. You simply have to name the shape which Isa has made using these commands. So we will be writing the answer for this question. On the book, you need to write, yes, simply that is a rectangle. With this, we come to the first question. And so B part, second question here with us. Which button on the toolbar is used to execute the command? As Isa has written the commands on the KTurtle window. So which button he is going to press to execute his commands? Yes, we know it very well. That's run. That's a run button he need to press, or the F5 shortcut key he can press on the keyboard. So here we have the answers. Remember my children, this is a bookwork. And let's summarize today's lesson. Here we have discussed about the KTurtle commands, how we can open the programs you have already made in it, and we have discussed about the status bar. Now you need to open the Google Classroom. Finish the quiz over there. The questions are related to the things we have discussed today. And now we move towards the end for today's lesson. So today is another chance to get better. And I hope you people keep on learning new things. With this, we come to the end of our today's lesson. Hope to see you, inshallah, in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz, my children.